Hello, and welcome. I am Edwin, the digital avatar for Paraban's electronic evidence examiner platform. I will be your guide as we explore the powerful and intuitive functions of E3. In this video we will examine data in a series based on Google Takeout. Google Takeout contains valuable information about any activities done with Google and YouTube. To begin, create a new case and select Add Evidence. The Add Evidence wizard has two options for Google-related data. The first is Google Takeout Raw Data. This imports all of the data associated with Google Takeout, with no parsing. The second option is Google Takeout with Parsing. This second option allows for different data to be parsed and processed, making it easier for review. This example uses the parsed data option. When selecting the Google Takeout data for processing, it is important to have all the archive data downloaded into a single directory. Select the first file from the downloads and all the other files will be added automatically. This parsed data includes access log activity, location history, Maps, Google Pay, the Google Play Store, Google Shopping, and Mail. Not all Google Takeout evidence will have this volume of data. However, any data that is present in these areas will be parsed. The raw data will also be shown, and is available for review. Once the process is complete, you can select Finish and the archive data will be displayed. All of the parsed data can be expanded and reviewed based on the previously mentioned categories.